Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPhone. And we're going to teach you today basic EGW Writings 2 navigation techniques. In front of me here, you see that I have the iPhone XR, and I'm going to open our EGW Writings 2 app. So I open it up. And when it loads, you can see that it comes to the home screen with all the different menus. Now, if I want to navigate through these menus, I just tap on, say, like the All Collections there, and then I can tap into Books and it loads into my bookshelf. If I want to navigate back, I can tap the back button and I can tap the back arrow again to come back to the home screen. So we've built into the app the ability to gesture swipe to navigate as well. So I'll go back into Books here. And I can just, from one-handed here, I can basically, as you can see on the phone, I can just edge gesture back and edge gesture back, and it'll bring us back in here. I can go back, as you can see, so I can go back and forth. I can jump into the different things, or I can jump into my library, and then I can jump back out through the menus from the edge gesture. All right, back through to the home screen. It does get broken if I load a book from within search. So if I go to Faith and I do a search here and I open up a search result, if I try and track back here, it won't happen. It would just change back to the previous chapter. On here, I would need to navigate back by clicking the back arrow. Now, it's the same as if I'm in the app though, and I'm going to open a book up now, and I go into Books, and I'm going to read a book. Okay, so here we go, we're in chapter 8. If I navigate through and I scroll, you notice how the little header disappears as I scroll up and I scroll back, it comes back, or if I touch it, it also shows. If I want to get to the edge, to get to the side menu, you notice how I can gesture in from the edge and it pulls it in. And I can gesture back and forth and navigate just from an edge gesture. If I want to do a search, I can just edge gesture. I can come up here and do a search. If I'm saying with one-handed like this and I want to enact search, I don't have to try and reach down and tap search. We've built it so all you have to do is tap the little search icon and then you can navigate through. You can open up your search results. You can read through that. Ready for the next search result? You can just open it, tap, and navigate through one-handed through your search results. Okay, so that's basically quick navigation through search, quick navigation through the main menu. Up the top, don't forget, if you tap the header, it opens up all your chapter contents. And if you want to go back to the home screen, just track back through the menus and then you're back to the home screen again. Okay, so that's quickly showing you how we use the edge gestures and the scrolling to navigate through search or through the menus. So thanks for joining us today on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app in a one-handed style of operation with using your thumb to do edge gestures through the menus or through searching and navigating through your search results. Hope that little tip helped you. Have a nice day now. Bye for now.